Nnamdi Kanu's situation has entered another serious phase, and right now conversations are rising again across Nigeria because of reports about an urgent message connected to him and what he is asking his followers to focus on at this stage. As you are listening to this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any important updates. Your support helps this platform grow and keeps you informed with balanced, clear news. At the moment, what we know clearly is that Nnamdi Kanu is serving his sentence following his conviction by the Federal High Court. His legal team has not remained silent. They have continued to speak publicly about his condition, especially regarding his health and the legal steps they are taking. According to his lawyers, there are concerns about his well-being, and they are pushing strongly for proper medical care. This has led to renewed public discussions and emotional reactions from supporters and critics alike. Now, let us break this down in a simple way so everyone can understand. When someone is convicted and sentenced, the next legal option available is appeal. His legal team has filed an appeal against the life sentence. That means they are asking a higher court to review the judgment and decide whether the conviction should stand or be overturned. This is part of the normal judicial process in Nigeria. It is not unusual. It is a lawful right. As this appeal process continues, messages connected to him have been circulating. The central point being highlighted by those close to him is that his supporters should remain calm and patient while the legal process moves forward. There is emphasis on focusing on lawful and peaceful engagement rather than emotional reactions. This is very important. If you agree that discussions about national issues should always remain peaceful and lawful, please like this video and subscribe right now. Another important angle in this story is the health concern raised by his legal team. They have repeatedly mentioned that he requires proper medical attention. Health in custody is always a sensitive matter. In any society that respects the rule of law, the welfare of individuals in detention remains important. That is why this aspect has generated sympathy from some quarters. Others, however, argue that the legal process should take its course without pressure. This case has never been just about one individual. It touches on deeper national conversations about unity, justice, and security and political expression. Supporters see him as a voice for a cause they believe in. Critics see him as someone who challenged the state in ways they consider unacceptable. These two positions continue to shape public opinion. Right now, what appears to be the urgent message linked to him is not about confrontation. It is about focus. Focus on legal strategy. Focus on patience. Focus on allowing the appeal process to run its full course. That is what people close to the situation are emphasizing. In moments like these, emotions can rise quickly. That is why calm messaging becomes very important. Let us also talk about the appeal itself. An appeal does not mean automatic release. It means the higher court will review the evidence, the procedure, and the judgment delivered by the lower court. And the judges will examine whether the law was properly applied. They will consider arguments presented by both the defense and the prosecution. This can take time. Legal processes are often slow, especially in high-profile cases. Many people are asking, what could happen next? There are several possibilities. The appellate court could uphold the conviction. It could reduce the sentence. It could order a retrial. Or, in rare situations, it could overturn the conviction completely until the court decides everything remains in the legal domain. Meanwhile, public reactions continue. In the Southeast region especially, discussions remain strong. Community leaders, youth groups, and commentators have shared different opinions. Some are calling for political dialogue. Some are urging reconciliation. Others are insisting that the law must take its full course without interference. It is important to say this clearly. Peaceful expression is always the safest and most effective way to handle national issues. Violence or unrest does not help any cause. If you believe in peaceful engagement and respect for the law, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It helps this channel bring you responsible updates without drama. Now let us talk about the wider political climate. Nigeria is going through economic reforms, political adjustments, and social debates. In such a period, any major legal case can quickly become symbolic. The KANU case has become symbolic for many people. Some see it as a test of justice. Others see it as a test of national stability. That is why every update draws heavy attention. There are also concerns about misinformation. Social media can amplify unverified claims very quickly. That is why it is important to rely on confirmed information from legal representatives and official sources. Rumors often spread faster than facts. As viewers, always verify before sharing. Another key point is the human aspect. Regardless of political positions, legal cases involve real people, real families, and real communities. The emotional weight is heavy. That is why responsible language matters. Responsible conversation matters. As the appeal progresses, legal analysts are watching closely. They are examining whether procedural arguments raised by the defense will carry weight. They are looking at past judgments in similar cases. They are studying constitutional interpretations. This is a complex legal battle. Yeah, and it is far from over. Supporters are being encouraged to channel their energy into lawful advocacy. That means attending court sessions where allowed, supporting legal fundraising if applicable, and engaging in peaceful public discourse. Again, no call for disruption. The emphasis is on patience and legal steps. Critics, on the other hand, maintain that national security and unity must be protected. They argue that court decisions should be respected. This difference in opinion shows how divided perspectives can be on high-profile matters. But here is something important. Regardless of which side someone stands on, the final authority rests with the judiciary. The courts will decide based on law and evidence. That is the foundation of democracy. Many Nigerians are asking whether there could be political intervention. But at this stage, nothing official indicates that. The matter remains primarily within the judicial process. Until there is an official statement or court ruling, speculation remains speculation. Let us also remember that cases like these often move in stages. There may be procedural hearings before the main appeal arguments. There may be adjournments. There may be written briefs submitted by both sides. All of these take time. Time is one factor that frustrates many supporters. But patience is necessary in legal matters. Emotional pressure does not speed up court processes. If you believe patience is key in situations like this, please like this video and subscribe so we can continue bringing you balanced updates. In addition, discussions about national unity are rising again. Some voices are calling for dialogue to address underlying grievances. Then they argue that beyond courtrooms, deeper conversations may be needed to strengthen trust across regions. Whether that happens depends on political leadership and willingness from different stakeholders. For now, the main focus remains the appeal and health concerns raised by the legal team. That is the core of the current developments. Everything else is commentary. As we watch this unfold, it is important to stay calm and informed. Do not let emotions push you toward extreme conclusions. The Nigerian legal system has procedures. Those procedures are being followed. Many international observers are also watching. High-profile cases often attract global attention. That increases the need for professionalism and adherence to due process. At the end of the day, the key message linked to him appears centered on staying disciplined, staying patient, and trusting the legal process. That is what is being highlighted publicly by those close to him. We will continue to monitor updates carefully and present facts clearly as they come. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you remain informed without confusion. This is a developing situation, and there are still many angles to explore, including the possible timeline of the appeal, the political implications, and the broader national conversation about unity and justice.